We have a pretty big system, about 1,200 miles of pipe. I'd say on average, we're seeing somewhere between, 1 to 3 water main breaks a week. So for Portland Water District, as far as national averages are concerned, we fall somewhere right between that 10 to 15 breaks per 100 mile. Like I said before, almost 1,200 miles of water main. And last year we had 110 breaks on the water main. There's a lot of different causes for water main breaks. In the wintertime, it's very common that we see frost driving down into the ground without a lot of snow cover will cause pressure and actually break the pipe circumferentially. If it's old cast iron, we'll also see that, if somebody operates a fire hydrant in the area and they shut it down too quickly, it can cause a pressure transient along the water main, and usually it finds the weakest point there. I think that you'll find that we will always take any effort that we can to, appease the customers. Sometimes it just can't happen, but it's always something that we're talking about and trying to find a solution for. There are definitely times where customers lose service when a water main break occurs. Not always. As I was talking about, if a water main is split circumferentially around, then we have the ability to usually idle that water main down to reduce the pressure and then put on a stainless steel wraparound clamp. In that situation, the customer may experience low water, but they'll still be able to get drinking water out of their tap. They'll still be able to flush a toilet. It is always in the forefront of the foreman's minds when they're out there what the impact to the customers is going to be. I would say confidently that every leak that we go on, our foremen, most of the time before they even start digging, are looking at the impact of what it might be if they have to shut down. There's so much that goes into the delivery of that to your tap that, I don't know, unless you truly sat and lived in this industry, that you would appreciate the process. But, we're delivering a vital resource to a large number of customers, and we make it look easy.